Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix an unresponsive screen on the Samsung S25 Plus. If your screen is lagging, freezing, or not responding to touch, I'll guide you to the best of the best solutions. So first, if your screen is completely frozen, a forced restart can bring it back to life. So what we need to do now is hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Now keep holding it and let the phone power off. Now, as you guys can see, what you need to do now is wait a couple of seconds, between 15 to 20 seconds, until you try and turn it on back again. So now what you need to do is hold the power button and keep holding it for about a couple of seconds. Now, as you guys can see, let the phone turn on and wait for it. If the screen is still non-responsive, what you can try is cleaning it with the microfiber cloth, and what you can do is use a microfiber cloth and gently wipe the screen. Now, after you do that, you can also remove any screen protector and test the touch response, or take off the gloves if you're wearing any. Now, if the screen responds but slowly, you can increase touch sensitivity. You can do that by opening settings, and now head over to display. Here you need to go and enable the touch sensitivity. As you guys can see, now it's enabled and it should be working better. But if it doesn't, what you can try is reset all settings, because sometimes a wrong settings can cause the touchscreen issues. So after resetting all settings, you can try and get your screen back to normal life. So now what you need to do is open up the General tab in Settings and scroll down until you see General Management, and now click on Reset right at the bottom. Here, click on Reset All Settings and click Reset Settings, Reset, and wait for the device to restart. Now, if it didn't help, what you can try is checking for the software update, because sometimes software bugs can cause screen issues, so keeping your system updated is very important, especially in the newest phones. So first, go to software update right at the bottom of the settings, click on download and install, and make sure that your Wi-Fi is enabled and is connected to any network. And now click on download and install and check for the updates. And if it did not help either, what you can try is perform a factory reset on your phone by going into settings, now general management, reset, and scroll down until you see factory data reset. And now what you need to do is follow the on-screen instructions to reset your phone. But remember to back up your important files and data first, because this will erase everything on the device. And if your Samsung S25 screen wasn't responding, one of these solutions should have helped. Let me know in the comments if you have any other issues, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.